Hi everyone. On page number 30, we're learning how to rotate or flip a
Alright,
drawing.
so to rotate or flip a drawing, what we're going to do is we're going to take a shape. I'm going to take a triangle and we're going to make a triangle here and fill the triangle with any color that you want. And now, in order to flip this triangle or rotate the triangle, I'm going to go to select option first. So please make sure that whenever you want to or you wish to rotate or flip a drawing, you have to select which drawing you want to rotate. Otherwise, the whole page gets rotated or flipped. All right. So make sure that you select the item or the drawing that you want to rotate or flip, and then you go to the option over here on the top left corner, and then you choose any. If you choose any option, rotate 180. You see that the drawing that you've selected is now upside down. The same way you can also flip your drawing, flip vertical and flip horizontal. Alright, so horizontal doesn't make sense because the drawing is already, in a horizontal position. But if you select vertical position, so it's going to have the same effect as rotate the drawing 180 degree.
So now we are going to learn how to resize.
So on page number
a drawing.
30, there are steps on how to resize your drawing. You can make your drawing smaller or larger. Yeah. So what you have to do is first you have to select the drawing that you want to resize. So you select the drawing first, and then you go to this option right here on the top left corner that says resize, and the first one, it says resize. Yeah. So you can change the number, let's say anywhere between 50. So the maximum is 100 and 50 is half of 100, right? So when you press 50, your drawing is going to be half the size of what it actually was. Yeah. So if I press 50, so it's half the size because 50 is half of 100, right? So the same way, if I select 100, right? So 25, which is a quarter size of the actual drawing, then it becomes, I'm sorry. Now, do you know why the whole screen, the whole drawing area became smaller? Because I did not select the drawing. So I press Ctrl Z to get back to the original size. Very important, you select the drawing first, yeah, and then resize. Let's go to the quarter size, 25. Press enter. Now it becomes 4 times smaller.
So on page number 33, we have steps on how to skew a drawing. The word skew means something that's not straight or it's
Alright,
slanting.
so to do that, we have to first go back to our original triangle design, and then we have to select the triangle first. Remember, always select the drawing that you want to make adjustments to. Alright, so now next, to skew the drawing, we have to go back to the resize option over here, and just below this option resize, at the bottom you see skew. Yeah, so that means if I select any number, 45, and vertical, let's say 20, that means my drawing now is, in a different angle. It's not the same triangle. It is a triangle, but it's in a distorted, something that's not straight, and something that's of a different angle altogether. Yeah. So similarly, if I choose different numbers over here, let's go with 30, and this one let's go with 10. Okay, let's press enter. Okay, so this didn't work because I did not select the drawing. So please remember to select your drawing, resize. Let's go to skew, 30 and 10. Enter. Yeah. Alright, so for the next step, I want you all to make a circle. Make a circle first. Yeah. Fill the circle with any color that you like. Okay. And then using the brushes tool, I'm going to go with the first one, size, third one, and again any color that you like. It doesn't have to be the exact color. So we're going to make a flower. So I'm going to make the petals. You all can even make a petal. Yeah, alright. So now we're going to fill the petals with different colors. Let's choose yellow. Okay, green. Alright. So this is our flower, right? And what I want you all to do is I want you all to select the flower. Okay. Control C and Control V. So you get a copy of this exact same flower. Now if you look here at the corner, there's a small box, and when you place your cursor over here, you see that there are two arrows pointing to different directions, right? Opposite directions. So what you can do is you can move it a little bit upwards so that your drawing becomes a little smaller. So it's already selected because it's inside the box. Again, Control C and Control V. You get another one. Control V. You get another one. You move it here. Control V again. You move it here. So what I want you all to do is keep pressing Control V and then move the flowers to different directions so that your drawing area is filled with flowers. And what we're going to do with it, we're going to find out next. All right. So I have been copying and pasting it all over the drawing area. So it doesn't have to be a flower, yeah. If you want, you can make stars or you can make anything that you want. So I'm going to go with flower because it's the easiest one for all of us to do. Alright, so my drawing area is filled with flowers and I'm going to choose the background color. So let's go back to our bucket icon or fill with color icon, and let's select the background color, blue. Alright, now very important, the next thing on page number 34, what we're going to learn how to do is, first we save it. Save your drawing, Control and S, and then save it as flower. And then after you save your drawing, you see the name changes, right? So for the next one, we go to File, Set as Desktop Background, Fill, Tile and Center. So you have the option to either fill your desktop with your drawing, or you can tile your drawing. You've seen the bathroom tiles, right? So they are different small boxes. So either you can make small boxes of your drawing, or you can put or place your drawing in the center of the screen. So I'm going to go with the first one, fill. Okay, I think it's done. So if you press Windows and D, which is desktop, all your windows that are currently open gets minimized and your desktop screen has been changed. Alright, that's all for now. Goodbye.